Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to fix Windows 11 voice typing not working. Firstly, press Windows plus L to open settings. Click on the time and language, then go to speech. You're gonna find the different settings about the speech and voice input characters. Under the speech language, use the drop-down menu to select the correct language. You can choose French, English, and whatever suits you. Scroll down to microphone, then click Get Started. Now all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompts to configure your mic. Now try using Windows voice typing again and see if the problem persists. If it is happening again, updating your Windows or restarting your PC could solve the issue. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.